Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Basic Pentesting 2 CTF from VulnHub is a virtual machine challenge aimed at helping users practice their penetration testing skills. This walkthrough provides a step-by-step guide to complete the challenge. First, we will download this machine. Click on the download and download this machine. I have already downloaded. So after downloading, just unzip this file and double click on it. It will import in the virtual box. Make sure that your network settings is set to bridge adapter. Click on the start. We need to find out the IP address of our machine. So I will run the command net discover. So our target machine IP address is 192.168.0.121. Next, I will run the command nmap to scan for open ports. We have port number 22 open, service running is SSH, port number 80 is open, service running is HTTP, 139 service running is NetBIOS SSN, 445 service running is NetBIOS SSN, port number 8009 service running is AJP13. Lastly, we have port number 8080, service running is HTTP. So we will first start with HTTP. Let's copy the IP address and paste it in the browser. The page lacks interesting details, so I will explore the target subdirectories using the command gobuster. After conducting a scan, I have discovered a directory named development. So let's visit it. So there are two txt files. Let's open one by one. It has been discovered that the password hash for J is weak and can be easily cracked. Although we know that J has a weak password, we lack details about the usernames. Therefore, alternative method must be considered. As identified by the Nmap scan, the SMB service is active. Using the net bias protocol, consequently, we will enumerate the SMB port using a tool named enum for Linux, which comes pre-installed on Kali Linux. Enum for Linux is a tool designed for enumeration that can detect and extract information from Windows and Linux system, including Samba host within a network. So our IP address is 192.168.0.121. We got two usernames, that is K and Jan, from the scan. Next, I will run the command hydra. We got to know the username as Jan and password as Armando. Now let's try to do login into the target SSH service with these credentials. Now we have successfully entered the target, but as you can see here, the user Jan is not the root user on the target machine. We are trying to find the flag for completing the challenge. We have found a pass.bak, but we doesn't have permission to read by another user as Jan is not the root user. Also, there is a .ssh directory. Let's visit that directory. It contains the private RSA key of the user. SSH private key, that is ID underscore RSA, has permission for other user to read. I will copy the content and paste it and save this file in desktop. Name as key. We will be using SSH to John tool to convert the private key into John format for cracking using the John the Ripper, which is pre-installed on Kali Linux. The password is bvax. We have got the passphrase for user K. Now we can log in as K via SSH with passphrase bvax. We have successfully logged in into the user K. We have found the password by opening pass.bak file. Now we can use this to evaluate our privileges. Successfully, we got into the root using this password. Now let's get into the final step. We got the flag. Thank you for following this walkthrough. I hope you have found it useful.